Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is Pokey's Pink Flowering Currant. Beautiful early flower for your garden. It's not even quite, spring has just started here. It's late March and we've already got these shrubs that are giving us these beautiful pink blossoms. Pokey's Pink is available just as the bees are probably starting to wake up. It's warm enough now for bees to get out and start foraging. So this is awaiting them when they finally make it over here to our farm. Like I mentioned on my other currants and gooseberries are all very easy to propagate by cuttings. So if you have a flowering currant like this and you want to make more of them, all you would have to do is take a cutting in the late fall or winter when it's dormant, and then stick it in a pot or in the ground, and it's got a really high success rate, so it'll take root and leaf out, and you can have more of these to add to your own collection or to give to friends. And it's very hard to show you this the smell of currants, but they have a really unique smell, and just like the smell of tomatoes represent summer to me, currants represent the earliest spring when I smell it, either from a cutting or a plant or these new blossoms. It really is the definition. That smell is the definition of early spring. Pokey's Pink is one of the flowering currants we have. We also have King Edward, which is a bright red blossom, and Crandall Black, which is an edible black currant that also provides this beautiful yellow blossom later on in the spring. This is Pokey's Pink. Beautiful early spring blossom for your garden.